What if one website, one server, could be taken down by a flood of traffic it never asked for? In this video, I'll break down DDoS, distributed denial of service, and how professionals launch it in 3 clean layers. You'll understand the mechanics, the real commands, and how defenders stop it. No hacking experience needed. DDoS stands for distributed denial of service. It floods a target with so much traffic that it can't answer real users anymore. It's not one hacker on one computer. It's an army of machines, usually a botnet, all hitting one target at the same time until the target drowns. Professionals think of a DDoS in 3 layers. Volumetric, which saturates the network pipe with raw bandwidth. Protocol, which exhausts the server's connection table with half-open connections. And application, which holds server threads open with slow, sneaky requests. Understanding the layers is how defenders beat them. Layer 1, Volumetric. The goal is simple: send more traffic than the target's network can carry. A tool like Ping 3 blasts raw packets at the target until the pipe is completely full. When the pipe is full, nothing gets through, including real users. Layer 2, Protocol. A SYN flood never completes the handshake. The attacker sends SYN packets and leaves connections half open, each one holding a slot in the server's connection table. Fill that table, and the server locks up. The Scapy library makes this trivial to script. Layer 3, Application. The cheapest and sneakiest one. SlowLories opens many connections to a web server and sends requests very slowly, holding threads open for a long time. It needs far less bandwidth than a volumetric flood, but it's brutal on web servers. So where does the traffic come from? A single machine rarely has enough bandwidth to take down a serious site. So attackers build or rent a botnet, an army of compromised machines, PCs, servers, and IoT devices, all commanded to hit one target at once, multiplying the flood by thousands. Now the important part, how you defend. Rate limiting stops any single source from flooding you. Load balancers spread traffic across many servers. And a CDN sits in front of your origin, absorbing and filtering the flood before it reaches you. And one hard rule: never attack what you don't own. Launching a DDoS is a federal crime. If you want to learn ethical hacking and how to defend against attacks, hit that subscribe button.